Hi everyone, what is going on? It's Jamie Palmer here, and now in today's trading session I am going to be rushing this. I have been so busy adding the final touches to our brand new website, our brand new members area, and we've got some exclusive free content for you. I don't know if you watched yesterday's video where I was talking about a step-by-step guide to teaching people, and I find it's the most efficient way because each trader and each member knows what step they are and what they need to accomplish before moving on to the next step, and it's the most efficient way and quickest way of teaching people. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, you can kind of learn in stages going forward, and obviously you can go into the members area when you get your time, obviously before work or after work, and just follow the online courses. Now I'm quickly going to take a buy, stop loss, I want to risk. I'm quickly going to take a buy. I'm going to take a new order. I'm going to take another one on GPUSD, and I'm going to take, no, I'm going to stick with two. Okay, so as you can see, I've got two trades running right now on GPUSD. Like I said, in today's trading session is going to be a little bit rushed. I'm trading FOREX all week. I've got a beautiful setup. I want to show you this absolute beautiful trade. I pretty much textbook got this trade sorted. Let me just bring up here, okay, and can you see our nice, if you watched my Facebook group yesterday, I called this trade where we had a nice sort of double top area here. Let me just bring this up to the black. In fact, we won't use a black. I'll draw an area instead, that way you can actually see it. So this was USD CAD on the daily time frame, and you can see we had a nice area of resistance. Now this was Sunday night where we seen this engulfing pattern, and then we pulled back here. Now what I was looking for on the lower time frames was that kind of initial pullback before continuing down. So I seen the pullback which was coming into this area here. If I just mark up here, you can see this is a very key level, especially on the 4-hour charts. If you break down the 4-hour charts, you can see it's a nice area of resistance. So pretty much, as you can see, we had an area of resistance at the top. We double topped last week. We had an engulfing candle, and then we pulled back. And then I think Friday we kind of finished with this kind of uncertainty in the market as the price went sideways, and then today we just dropped. So I've been looking for sell opportunities on USD CAD. My idea is we flick over to the 6.0 here and then start looking for sell opportunities with our pullback strategy. So look, for instance, here we had a nice sell signal here in between the zones. We pulled down, first crossover on the RSI, signal arrow in between the zone, and that particular trade could have given us a nice 68 pips. Okay, so I'm looking for the same to happen now. Again, this is our pullback. We're going to trend below the white moving average, and then we should look to pull back again into this area like here, get into trade when we cross over again. Hi, I don't know what happened there. My computer froze. I had to reset, yeah. But basically what I'm looking for is a sell opportunity here, waiting for the two zones to cross over, and then looking for kind of sell signal in between the zone here. So that's my idea on USD CAD. I've now just got to basically wait for a pullback. Hopefully it happens in tonight's Asian session, or if not, early London going into the New York session. Now my initial trade here, you can see is now sitting at 4.3 pips since making this video, which has been going on for around 10 minutes now. So what was that? Let me find that setup. It was GPUSD. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we are now pulling up. My take profit is set at 6 pips. Which is not bad. I'm just basically about to hit my target. Okay, now again, why did I get into this trade? Why did I get into two trades here? Now again, we're trading Forex here, so we want to be trading with the trend. That's the idea of trading Forex. The more pips we make, the more money we make. So if I break it down again by looking at the lower time frames, okay, we can see an area of resistance here. Okay, it's a nice solid support line here. Those trades, funny enough, just hit take profit. Look at that, look, nice. Today's trading session, £170. Not bad, just kind of explaining about a setup. Okay, so what do I like about this is we had a nice area of support here, a number of touches, 1, 2, 3. So this is on the 1 hour chart. So key area of support. Next phase I want to be doing is breaking down to the lower charts, okay? And you can see we're now trending above the white moving average. So I can't draw on my charts because I haven't loaded up my my charting software, but as you can see, okay, we pulled up, pulled back, and then we're pulling up again. So we're now above the moving average, which again signifies a trend change. We've got a bit of diversions as well on the stochastics. We go down to the lower time frames of 15 minutes. You can see that perfect crossover now and pull back, you see here. So again, all the time we're breaking it down. You can see nice crossover, pull back. We're now trending above the white moving average, signifying we're now in an uptrend. So when I go to the 5-minute charts, I can clearly see this clear uptrend. We clearly trended up, we pulled back, and I've got this nice signal arrow here signifying a cool trade. Now, I would never just randomly take arrows, but give you an example of every sell arrow which is below the moving average. You can see here, this one was a winner, this one was a winner, this one was a winner, this one, and that one was a loss because obviously we broke our support and we've gone now into an uptrend. So as you can see here, and also what is also real nice about here, which I didn't spot when I originally jumped into this trade, was this area of support and resistance. You can see what's basically happened is we were bouncing below this resistance, we broke above it, and now we are above it. It looks like we're forming a double top at the top here. Nonetheless, my take profit has been hit, and that is today's trading session, pretty much wrapped up in around 15 minutes. So yeah, I just want to show you quickly our brand new website. I've spent a lot of time and I've got some real good people here. You can see this is my website designer here. So I'm just going to hang up at the minute and I'm going to call him back in 1 minute. But I just want to quickly show you our brand new website. He's currently finishing the final touches to it now. This is it here, and we've got some free training here if you want to get involved in it. And as you can see, the usual here, we've kind of cleaned it up a bit and it just gives it a more professional look. You know, we've got some free training in there if you want to get involved. This is our 3-step PSM guide. If you don't know what PMS stands for, plan, management and strategy. So get your plan in place. What do you want to achieve from the financial markets? Are you looking to trade full time? Are you looking for a second income? Well, that will be your plan there. Your management, how much money and how much time are you willing to invest in this plan? And the final one is strategy. Obviously, we use our binary destroyer as our strategy, but I have got a free, quick strategy for free if you want to have a go on there. And then obviously you can carry on the next steps by joining us at FX Learning. So yes, a very kind of speedy, fast trading session and video. But yeah, as you can see, my today's trading session ends with £170. And thank you for watching. I'm Jeremy Palmer and this is FX Learning.